A total of 18 new places have been added to the government's coronavirus watch list, including one in the south of England. As areas across the UK see cases spike and new lockdown restrictions put in place, the watch list has expanded from 48 last week to 58 this week. Of the 18 new places added to the watch list, 14 have jumped straight onto the list of areas of intervention, while one is an area of enhanced support, and 3 are now areas of concern. 7 places in Norfolk, including Norwich and Swindon, have been taken off the list, but one southern area, Spelthorne in Surrey, finds itself added. The new areas of intervention are Oadby and Wigston, Warrington, Halton, Wolverhampton, South Ribble Valley, North Tyneside, West Lancashire, County Durham, Chorley, Wyre, Fylde, Lancaster, and Northumberland. The new area of enhanced support is Blaby, Leics, with Selby, Spelthorne, and Scarborough areas of concern. The 8 areas removed from the watch list entirely are Swindon, Norwich, Great Yarmouth, Breckland, North Norfolk, South Norfolk, Broadland, King's Lynn, and West Norfolk. You can see the full list of 58 at the bottom of this article. These local authorities within Norfolk were said to relate almost solely to a workplace outbreak at Banham Poultry Farm, which since appears to have been contained. Asterisk, are you affected by this story? Have your say in the comments below in Public Health England's Week 38 surveillance report, which is based on data from Week 37 between August 7 and September 13. It states in summary, several surveillance indicators suggest that COVID-19 activity at a national level has continued to increase during Week 37. Case detections in England increased from 15,231 in Week 36 to 15,693 in Week 37. Case rates remain highest in North West and Yorkshire and Humber. Further increases in detections for Week 37 are expected as more results for the most recent samples become available. Positivity rates have increased across most age groups, particularly in the 85-plus-year-olds tested through Pillar 2 and those in the 15-44 years in Pillar 1. Positivity by regions remains highest in the north. At a local authority level, incidence continued to be highest in Bolton. Case rates continued to be highest in the 20-29-year age group. Nationwide coronavirus curbs, which could see hospitality businesses forced to shut, are being examined to prevent a fresh wave of deaths. Boris Johnson is reportedly considering a circuit break of a few weeks, to take place at half-term, as experts battle to contain a new spike in COVID-19. Active discussions are reportedly underway in Number 10 about how to respond to the sharp increase in cases. And one option on the table is a short period of stricter rules in England, which Downing Street denied would amount to a full-scale second lockdown, which Health Secretary Matt Hancock said would be a last resort. A Number 10 spokesman said, "We've always been clear that our strategy is to keep the virus down as much as possible while protecting education and the economy. We are prepared to take action that is necessary, but we obviously want to avoid any extended lockdown." The revelation came as the crucial R rate in the UK was said to be between 1 and 1.4, meaning the disease is spread. Large swathes of the country will be slapped with tough new curbs from Tuesday, the government announced today. Parts of England's northwest, West Yorkshire and the Midlands will have restrictions imposed after the weekend. Residents must not socialise with other people outside of their own households or support bubble in private homes and gardens. Restaurants, pubs and bars will be restricted to table service only, while all leisure and entertainment venues including restaurants, pubs and cinemas must close between 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. Residents are also advised to avoid public transport unless it is essential, as well as professional or amateur sporting events. Public transport should only be used for essential journeys. Health Secretary Matt Hancock said, "We are seeing cases of coronavirus rise fast in Lancashire, Merseyside, West Yorkshire, Warrington, Halton, and Wolverhampton. Local leaders in these areas have asked for stronger restrictions to be put in place to protect local people, and we are acting decisively to support them. I know these restrictions will make everyday life harder for many, but I know that residents will work together and respect the rules so we can reduce rates of transmission." Close quote. Full list of 58 areas on watchlist areas of intervention: Bolton, Blackburn, with Darwen, Oadby and Wigston, Hindburn, Preston, Warrington, Tyneside, Sunderland, Oldham, Birmingham, Bradford, Liverpool, Wyre, Burnley, Knowsley Street, Helensbury, Salford, Leicester South, Tyneside, Rochdale, Manchester, Gateshead, Solihull, Sandwell, Newcastle upon Tyne, Pendle, Halton, Kirklees, Wolverhampton, Calderdale, Rossendale, South Ribble, Sefton, North Tyneside, West Lancashire, County Durham, Trafford, Chorley, Wyre, Fylde, Northumberland, Lancaster, Ribble Valley. Areas of enhanced support: Leeds, Blaby, Stockport. Areas of concern: Selby, Hartlepool, Sheffield, Spelthorne, Corby, Middlesbrough, Northampton, Scarborough, Hertsmere, Peterborough, Stoke-on-Trent.